Hey there. Going over a speed bump.
Hi.
Sarah's here. Never took a left. Oh, that cart was a jack of wheel.
Oh god, oh god. Ew, this looks terrible.
Hey! So, if you're looking in the back of my truck and not looking at me, you can tell that we went a little crazy today. Went to an estate sale and bought a lot of stuff. So yeah, went to an estate sale and this is the result there, Sarah. She's got a box on her lap. And
we also went to our friends.
This is as full as this truck can be. So we're going to show you what we got when we get back to the house.
Show will.
Yeah, we're going to do that. All right, so we are back home with a lot of stuff. First thing we bought was this. It's a Wolfgang Puck pressure oven. Brand new, never been used. So that's a pretty cool pickup right there. First larger appliance that we've actually had on our eBay store. So there's that. And this is the rest of it. Just give you guys a second to drink this in. It's completely insane that all this stuff is new still. So, starting with Mickey Mouse sweatshirts. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 Mickey Mouse sweaters. Oh, sorry, 5 Mickey Mouse sweaters. These are all vintage Mickey and Company sweaters, probably from the 1980s. Brand new, still in the bag. So how about that? Pretty cool. We got some tablecloths here. Got some vintage tablecloths. Never been out of the bag. How about those? Totally 70s. Then we got some sheets. These are polyester and cotton sheets. Really 70s. We got some more polyester and cotton sheets here. These are all brand new, never been used. Crazy. We got some more sheets. Remember I said don't sleep on the vintage linens, and we did not. And we got thermals. We got ladies thermals. A whole bunch of them. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 thermals, all brand new, all still in the package. These are, this one has a Hills price tag on it, which is pretty awesome. Yeah, these are decent money as well. So there's some more vintage sheets back here. We got a couple more. There's 4 of these green and orange ones, and then 1 of these, and then a vintage Savoy blanket back there. We got these cups. They are old cups from Kaufman's, believe it or not, Sun Country. We tried to look them up, but we really aren't finding the brand, but we're finding similar cups. Nothing new in the box like these ones are, so we're going to have some work cut out for us there. Moving right along, we got some vintage towels. Never been used. Got a lot of those. Underneath here is some more tablecloth, vintage tablecloth. Never been used as well. Then we got some underpants. We got some pantyhose. More pantyhose. You know how we sell the vintage hose. So, got a lot of those. Got a London, Paris, Rome, Pittsburgh t-shirt. Some new, out of the box, but never been used Tupperware containers over here. Some Brita filters. Pretty cool. And then something that we're a little stumped on. Maybe you guys can comment down below and help us out. Got a bunch of these. These are actually t-shirts and pants. So there's the t-shirt and then there's actually pants right here. So there's the tag, Lighthouse Fashion. We tried looking it up, can't find it anywhere. And there's 1, 2, 3. This one's a little different. I'm not sure if it was a local person made these or what it is, but yeah, they're kind of a mystery to us at the moment. We know they're vintage and they're made in the USA and they're kind of cool, but not 100% certain on exactly what these are and how to price them. And then Sarah got some Anchor Hawking oven-proof bowls, or I guess we'll call them pie plates. Never been used. And that's about it. That's a lot. We didn't have any room in the back of the truck, and the truck smelled like your grandma's house. So it was a little rough on the way home. It was very fragrant, to say the least. But yeah, really good haul. Pretty happy with what we got. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys haven't, I know there's a few of you out there that haven't yet. Click that subscribe button for me. Really would appreciate it. Helps the channel out and helps us grow. And also lets me know that I am appreciated. That's it. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Good day, sir!